How to add Prime Video gift card. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Amazon Prime e-voucher redeem. In the search results, you'll find the official Amazon website link. Tap on this. Now over here, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now you need to go to this link over here that says Amazon Prime. So tap on it. It'll take you to the Amazon Prime subscription page. You can simply tap on this button at the bottom that says Join Prime Shopping Edition. It'll prompt you to select a payment method, and at the bottom you can see the Add Gift Card or Promo Code option. If you tap on it, you can see the Enter Code field. Tap on it. Here you can enter the Prime Video gift card code, which will be used to pay for the subscription of Amazon Prime Video account. You can enter your gift card code and tap on this Apply button. So that's how you can easily add Prime Video gift card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.